Does virtual home office organizing really work? I'm Stephanie Shalofsky from the Organizing Zone, and I'm here to tell you it really does. I have the perfect example to share with you that demonstrates this point. Let me tell you about my client, Scott. Scott has a home office in a Manhattan apartment. It's one room. He's fortunate in that regard, but it's filled with stuff. It became the place where he put stuff that he didn't know what to do with. That included papers, items, office supplies, you name it. It became a room of postponed decisions. Well, now it's time to deal with that space. So Scott really wanted an organized home office where he could get his work done and feel comfortable in the space. He didn't want a space where he was overwhelmed just to walk into. So we got to work. So let me paint you a picture of what this office looked like before we started. Well, there was a desk with some shelves but no drawers, a large credenza stuffed with office supplies, 2 storage racks overflowing with stuff, and piles everywhere. So we had our work cut out for us. Well, because Scott was overwhelmed, I wanted to make it easy for him to start this project. So I divided the room into 4 zones, and we tackled one zone at a time. Well, that made it much easier. We sorted, we purged, and we collaborated on organizing strategies. I wanted to create strategies with Scott that would work for him so that he could maintain the space going forward. Well, I also reminded him of these strategies each time we met. That really helped with the formation of his new habits. Well, fast forward, we worked on this project over 4 weeks, twice a week, and we got it done. We had over 6 hefty bags of trash, 14 new containers that could be reused, and we also had 3 empty drawers in the credenza. He had lots of open space now. Scott was totally astounded by how organized the space is and how much extra space he had, though he's committed to not cluttering it up. He remembers my telling him empty space is good space. Well, as you can see, virtual home office organizing does work. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky at the Organizing Zone. You can reach me at 917-375-0631. I look forward to talking to you.